Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an anxiety oil, and I'm going to be throwing up some information on the screen for you so you can see how to make this beautiful oil. And also you can also use this oil that I'm going to be putting up on the screen, and you can turn it into a room spray. You can also just spray your pillows and your sheets and your couches or whatever it is, and this oil, beautiful oil, will just calm you down. Also, there is gonna be showing you how to make another oil and as I finish this one, but right now I'm gonna be using lavender, vanilla, and victory. So let's get started. I'm gonna be stop talking for a little bit, so I need to count. So let me just get into this. So I'm also going to be using a carrier oil, and this carrier oil is almond oil. And so I'm going to be topping it off, my essential oil, with some almond oil, and then I'm going to give it a good shake. And then after this shaking, I believe you'll see some bubbles. That mean the rest of oil are mixing together. And then I will show you another recipe after, which I'm going to be using lavender. I'm going to be using rose. I'm going to be using vanilla again. So the only oil that I'll be changing is rose. So let me go ahead and show you the next one. So right now I need to count again, guys, so I'm not going to be talking for a little bit. And I'm going to be also using the almond oil to top it off again. So as you can see, I'm showing you the same video that I did before, only because I want to talk a little bit more about this oil. This anxiety oil here will calm you down. And don't forget to, guys, that breathing is very, very important for anxiety. So you can do the breathing technique, which I believe is 3 breathing and 7 out. You have an anxiety, you don't have to use oil to calm you down. You can try calming yourself down. You can either do a lot of laughing as well, because I heard laughing is really, really good for anxiety. You can do, try to play music, guys. Music can also calm you down as well for anxiety. So those are the little things you can be doing. And also essential oils will really, really calm you down as well. By just doing all these steps, just you can turn, if you don't want to use these oils, just turn it to a room spray. And at least, when you make these oils by yourself, you know what's in it. You know there's no preservative or anything like that. And if I make an oil today, you know that next year this time it's just expired. So you know that this oil will last for a whole entire year. So some of the really good oils for anxiety are rose, um, lavender, frankincense is a good one too, lemon, anything like citrusy. Um, Another good oil would be vanilla, which we use in one of these recipe as well. There is so much other oils which I am gonna put some on the screen for you. So I hope you're taking advantage of what I am throwing up on the screen for you guys. And don't forget, you can overcome this anxiety. You can do deep breathing, you can do dancing, you can also use all these different oils and cotton pods and just inhale them. You can also do exercise to relieve these things. You don't have to put it on your mind sometimes, because sometimes I feel like this is just a mind game sometimes. And if you treat it, you will actually overcome it. And as I am doing right now, I just make 2 oils or 3 oils, I'm not sure. But what I'll do is 3 oils. So what I'll do is I will write what I have, and I will actually stick it on them so that I don't get the oils mixed up. So when I'm ready for them, I know exactly what I have, and not in trouble to know what and what in here, because a lot of times I make oil just for the video's sake and forget what I do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.